Absco's contemporary clean-cut designs utilise our revolutionary Snaptite fastening system, a major development over previous designs and patented worldwide. With this Snaptite assembly system, there are no rivets, bolts or screws required to fit our C-channels. You simply snap them into place with the tap of a hand, assuring easy, fast assembly, even if you're a novice. This patented Snaptite system is also extremely strong, designed to withstand W50 cyclonic wind conditions. Independent testing by one of Australia's foremost consulting engineers and the resultant structural certificate gives you absolute peace of mind. Designed specifically for easy handling, each sheet and channel has been engineered with a safety edge. And to prevent the inevitable problems with sliding doors, our doors are hinged for robustness and low maintenance, and fitted with diagonal braces. A pleasure to assemble, engineered for strength, and easy on the eye.